Jasmine Sandhavalia is spokesperson of the BJP. Srinivas Reddy Kumbam is from the Congress party. Srinivas, I begin with you. This is not the first time, particularly when it comes to matters of national integrity and standing against terrorism. It seems the Congress party repeatedly shows its inability to just plainly read the room. Do you really think a poster like this, such a graphic poster of your own Prime Minister right now, is the right imagery?
First of all, I would like to condemn the statement because nowhere in this poster is the Prime Minister's name there, nor his photo there. It is nowhere connected with the Prime Minister. If the BJP
come on,
feels
Srinivas,
that
come on,
Prime
once
Minister
again.
is, they are also feeling.
Come on, Srinivas. Mr. Reddy, you cannot begin with an argument like this. Come on. Are you saying the entire country is a fool that hasn't really understood the message? This is clearly the Prime Minister's image from which his face has been removed.
Nobody is saying it is not the face of the Prime Minister. Is the name of the Prime Minister there anywhere?
So what does it mean when the tweet said that you are a gayab at this crucial hour? Who are you talking about?
We are not talking. What the Congress party is trying to say is that when the crucial meeting was called for, probably BJP is feeling that their Prime Minister is gayab at many of these events and they are taking everything
First of all,
this.
Mr. Reddy, is it about the Prime Minister or is it not about the Prime Minister? Come on, if you stand by this tweet, which is by, mind you, not deleted till now. So I reckon the Congress party stands by this tweet. If this is about the Prime Minister, if you stand by it, please answer my question. Do you think this is the imagery and the message the country welcomes right now? Are you winning over any citizens of this country?
What the Congress party has very clearly stated in its, the Congress Working Committee has very clearly stated that it stands with the Bharatiya Janata Party. It stands with the ruling party. The resolution of the Congress party is here. And we have very clearly stated that the Congress party is with the government on this. The country comes first. Everything is like we should be united.
So why is it so difficult to accept?
This has been taken out of proportion.
Mr. Reddy, yes, we also acknowledged and feted the response of the Congress party in the first few days, when the entire country came together to say no politics at this hour, we will stand by the government.
Even now the Congress party...
How can you say that?
The Congress party stands by
I'm sorry, you cannot have 10 of your leaders make statements which are questioning both the government intent and the action.
Statement to that effect that...
Then how did this social media post happen? How is this still up?
As well as the leader of opposition.
Mr. Reddy, I don't want to speak over you, but both the things you're saying don't make any sense. I'm sorry to say. You cannot say we are with the government and then also attack the Prime Minister with a photo like this.
We have very clearly stated we are with the government.
Oh God.
And this is a very important issue. The Congress party stands by its word. Our leader of opposition, our party
president... Why not pull up who's responsible for this tweet? This is clearly about the Prime Minister. If you feel so strongly about standing together with the government, please display it with action. You cannot let this slide and also say we are with the government.
We are definitely with the government. We have called,
I don't know what to say.
Definitely there is
Mr. Reddy, I sympathize with you.
There's no answer.
Mr. Reddy, I sympathize with you. I know you're in a difficult position. No, 1 second. I gave you enough time. Jasmine, I sympathize with him. This is clearly indefensible. Indefensible. While you want to maintain the line that you are with the government, please, both the twains shall not meet. Either you are here or you're here.
Definitely.
Mr. Reddy, let Jasmine come in. Let Jasmine come in.
Well, let me say something that these are very, very fragile times. And Congress party has totally abandoned shamelessly and is indulging in cheap politics. And if only Congress party would understand that it is the nation and the nation's sovereignty which has to be taught and which is being thought about by every Indian citizen in this country. And this has backlashed at them. They are not understanding that they have done a harakiri. The Prime Minister is the leader of this country, and every Indian citizen cutting across any religion, is standing committedly by him. These are very fragile times. And unfortunately, the Congress has lack of leadership, lack of integrity, lack of vision, and lack of commitment towards nationalism. And I wish, and I really wish, that the Congress party president needs to apologize to the nation for what he has done, for what his party has done. This is totally not
Mr.
done.
Reddy.
And I also remember one thing: the mood of the country is such that after the Article 370 was abrogated in 2019, this is the first time that in Srinagar and in the entire Kashmir Valley, every Muslim has come out and protested against this massacre and raised slogans against Pakistan. So the mood of the nation is that we are hurting. So Congress does not need to hurt itself, to hurt us
I don't
more.
know why the
And this is
Congress
totally
invites
cheap
this kind of
politics.
scrutiny. And Mr. Reddy, even if you're, I don't know, you want to live in denial where you want to pretend like this poster does not exist, hasn't been, put out from the official handle of the Congress party and has existed for now 24 hours almost. You want to just keep reminding of the official statement of the Congress party. But let me remind you, there are leaders, the laughter leaders who are making statements that are completely contradictory to the own Congress's diktat to its leaders, questioning whether Indus Water Treaty has been stopped only for some political drama to get brownie points or to impress people, talking about talks with Pakistan, talking about whether they needed to take any action as far as the diplomatic action is concerned. Their former partners and overall, the umbrella that exists in Jammu and Kashmir parties, they will question all the action that has been taken against Pakistani nationals. I just don't understand what's going on.
The Congress party has already distanced itself from the remarks made by most of the leaders, and what the AICC office bearers who are there, they have very clearly stated that those are the personal remarks made by some of them. The Congress party distances itself, and here, whatever AICC office bearers and the party president and the leader of opposition have stated, as well as the Congress Working Committee resolution, which is there, is definitely
Mr. Reddy, I don't understand.
And it has never changed.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. It has never changed. Why is fair enough. Why is the Congress party finding it so difficult to rein in its own leaders? Why? Why are you finding it so difficult?
Everybody has their opinion. In a democracy, what happens?
This is the Congress's official Twitter handle. This is not about individuals. You have no sanctity of your own X handle.
It is not I'm not talking about the sanctity of the X handle or whatever. What I am talking about is the role of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister was supposed to be in the all-party meeting.
No, he's not supposed to be in all-party meeting. Where are you getting this from? Where are you getting this from? Yes. The Prime Minister does not head all-party meeting.
And the Prime Minister, who had cut short his visit from Saudi Arabia, had landed in New Delhi.
Yes.
And from there he has got straight to Bihar to address the election rally, but rather than coming to the all-party meeting over here.
No, the all-party meeting, even after the last few attacks from Pakistan, were not headed by the Prime Minister. You're in opposition. You can't dictate to the government how they do their business. I'm sorry. And just because you don't like the fact that the Prime Minister is not there in the all-party meeting, you're going to post a headless picture of the Indian Prime Minister at this sensitive hour. I'm not understanding, Jasmine. There is a thing called just understanding the mood of the country, reading the room. Also, I don't understand why quote your Central Committee statement or come and make a statement saying we don't believe in this line of questioning by our own leaders. Does the Congress party not understand the power of social media? Do they not understand that this poster would have reached everyone in this country today?
You know what is shameful is that because of this poster, a former minister of Pakistan, Mr. Faiz Ahmed Chaudhry,
yes,
has retweeted and written something so obnoxious and derogatory for our Prime Minister. And when Mr. Reddy, who's pushed to the wall today, has no words to really protect his party, he has to understand that we have one of the most proactive Prime Ministers that a nation can have at this junction of time. These are very fragile times. And I would really advise Mr. Reddy and his party that we need to stand united. Look at what Mr. Omar Abdullah's extraordinary speech yesterday when he said that it shames him. He had no words to console the families. And I think Mr. Omar Abdullah, from a politician, transferred himself into a statesman. And what has Congress done to itself? And I think they are indulging in very petty, very, very petty politics.
See,
and
only
really
one of
need
these
to
things
think.
can be true. Either this has sanction of the Congress leadership
Of course it has.
to play
It
both the
has.
good cop and the bad cop. From one end, you will say, oh no, we don't believe in this, but yes, let our other arms and branches do what they need to do on social media. Or the other reality is, Mr. Reddy, that the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing. And the leadership is clueless. Only one of these two can be possible.
As far as the Congress party is concerned, as far as the AICC and the CWC is concerned, we are with the government. The Congress is with the government in this hour. It is a time for the country to be together here.
And what does this
This
poster
is not
say?
something...
This poster is not about PM. The PM didn't come to the all-party meeting. AICC said this. CWC said this. But you're not addressing what the social media handle of the Congress party says.
Yes.
I'm not understanding. Does the leadership of the Congress party understand the messaging,
this is
how
a
people
poster.
react to it? I think even the staunch supporters of the Congress party today are finding it hard to justify this poster. I'm yet to hear anybody, anybody who can say at this moment this poster is justified. Why? Because you think the Prime Minister should have been in the all-party meeting and he wasn't? Just for that reason? I'm going to leave it to the better. No. Mr. Reddy, you've said, Mr. Reddy, you're saying the same thing. I am not, you have to understand that when somebody poses this question, it is actually genuine, we are befuddled as to what the Congress is doing. Because the first few days, we acknowledged and encouraged the reaction from the Congress party as the leading opposition party on what they had said as far as the atmosphere in the country was concerned and what the Indian polity should be doing. We're getting some more responses precisely on this poster. Now, Supriya Shrinate is the head of the social media wing of the Congress party, and she is saying reportedly, and I quote, lot of poison in BJP's mind that they could see only Sar Tan Se Juda in this poster. Congress poster was inspired from a film named Gayab. Well, this is not a new justification. Already some Twitter handles sympathetic to the Congress party have put out exactly this justification. Jasmine, do you want to respond to this? This is not Sar Tan Se Juda. This has been inspired by a movie. It could be inspired by the greatest box office. No, it could be inspired by the greatest box office success of 2025. It doesn't matter. Look at the message it's sent to the public.
It is pathetic. It is total lack of sagaciousness. It is total lack of wisdom and maturity by Congress. And now they're running like, headless chickens. They could not understand the mood of the people of this country. Every Indian, the Congress party has to understand is standing united for the sovereignty of this nation and stand committed with the Prime Minister of this country.
I think there's also an attempt to suggest, quite like Mr. Reddy was doing. One second, Mr. Reddy, one second. I think quite like what you were suggesting. I think Mr. Supriya Shrinate is also saying, does BJP believe PM is Gayab when tragedy comes? So I think there is an attempt now to wash their hands off it without acknowledging the mistake, without taking it down, to say that, oh, we're not talking about the Prime Minister. Who's going to be fooled by this, Mr. Reddy?
They're only fooling themselves.
There's nothing to be...
I've run out of time. Mr. Reddy, I sympathize with you. I really do. But it's for the Congress leadership to think what is the messaging that they're sending to the entire country and the world. Thanks a lot for watching Plain Speak. The Right Stand is coming up on the other side.